Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, my YouTube channel, and we are at lesson 120. Again, solving problems that our YouTube subscribers face, and that they have put forward the questions in my YouTube channel, and as a result I feel that it will be good if I can share the questions with everyone so that everyone can get the benefit of knowing why and how, or even what are the functions. So as usual, let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Lee. For newcomers, welcome to my channel, and for the old subscribers, also welcome to my channel and thank you for following me. This is my WhatsApp number 019-7878-299. This is for those people who are keen or who are interested to buy my book, which is fully focused on grammar and complete with 1,384 questions with answers and with explanations topic by topic. So it's more or less a topical book. And once the books are sent out to those people who have ordered, I will then go up to this YouTube channel and I will be doing a revision of every chapter that is found in my book and discuss the answers with you so that you know why the answers are such. Alright, so if you like to buy my book, now is the time. Please make your booking. Just let me know how many copies you want, that's all. Alright. Now, I'm going into these solving problems that are being faced by some subscribers. The first subscriber asked me, what is the difference between S and while? So here is the explanation. Now, S. Number one, S and while have the same meaning. It means at the time. For example, I saw Yati as I was going to work. That means at that time I was going to work, I saw Yati. Now you can start from S. You can see that I have underlined for you in red. So you can bring this whole clause to the front. As I was cycling to work, but then the full stop you change it to a comma. Full stop change to a comma. So this whole part, bring it to the front. As I was cycling to work or going to work, comma, I saw Yati, full stop. So the back comes to the front goes to the back. It's the same meaning. And here, S means at the time, the action was happening. The action was going on. The second meaning of S, I did not go out as it was raining. Here S means because. So S has two meanings. Number one, S means while, at that time, the action was going on. The second meaning of S is because. So as it was raining, I did not go out. Same. You from this part S to the full stop, bring it to the front. Full stop, change it to a comma. The front, bring to the back. It's the same. There are two ways of writing and the meaning is the same. It means at that time it was happening. I was reading while she was cooking. Here while means at that time. Two persons, I, she, two different persons. And two different persons were doing two different things. So I was reading, at the same time she was cooking. So two persons, two different persons doing two different things but at the same time. Then you use while. So same. This while part, starting from the word while until the full stop. Oh no, I'm sorry. That is S. So the while, you can also put it in front. While I was reading, put a comma. She was cooking. It's the same. So do you understand now? While is the same meaning as. So S has two meanings. Number one, S means while. Number two, S means because. That's all. Okay? And this student, actually this one and this one and this one, today these three subscribers, actually I have already taught you before this more in detail, but you ask again, so I just answer your question. If you want to know further, go to my YouTube channel on S and while, go to my YouTube channel on present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and this same. Go to my YouTube channel just recently on something, some things, someone, somebody. It's the same. So you're asking me the second time. Here, has eaten and had eaten. What is the difference? Firstly, has eaten is called the present perfect tense. Had eaten is called the past perfect tense. We use has with he, she, it. So has eaten is used for to mean when your meaning is already or just. When your meaning is already, that means you have done the job, but you didn't tell us when you did the job. You didn't tell us that it was yesterday, today, tomorrow. We can only see the effect of your job. Then you should use has eaten or have eaten. So example, he has eaten already. The job is done. The stomach is full. But you didn't tell us when you do it. It's still very fresh, very new. He has just eaten. Same thing, it's still full. You wouldn't want to eat anymore. How to use had eaten? We use had eaten to show that it is the first action. It was the first action you did in the past. So in the past, maybe you did two things. Firstly, you ate something. Secondly, you rested. Then when you put two sentences into one, two actions into one, you must use had eaten to show that it was the first action you did. So the sentence here, after he had eaten, comma, he rested. So I understand that you eat first and then you rest, or you ate first then you rested. Same, he rested after he had eaten. So the after you can put in front of a as the first word or in the middle of a sentence. Both are okay. When I reached home, he had eaten. It's the same. That means he ate first and then I came home. So when I came home, maybe he had already washed the dishes. Or this when, you can bring it to the middle of a sentence. He had eaten when I reached home. It's still the same. Had eaten is the first action. Second action, I reached home. But here two different persons. So we use when. This one is the same person. We use after. That means a step by step. And the third subscriber asked me this. This is the sentence given by the subscriber. He was doing something which allowed us to arrest him. I just tell you your question. You ask me, this something, does it mean animal or thing? But here doing something, that means here something I'm sure is an action. He was doing something, maybe he was filling the bottle with drugs, or he was gambling or something. Action. This something is action. Of course, I said before, something can mean an animal or a thing, or even a person. But the first time you only saw something, you didn't know. Later on, you discovered it was a person, a thing, or an animal. It's okay. But I'm telling you your question. Your question asked me, you asked me, something means what? What does it mean in the sentence? So I'm telling you now. It means that it was an action you were doing. Some means one here. Something means one thing. So something means one action in this context, in this sentence. Then if you want to say more than one, you must separate into two words. Some things, more than one. Then I correct you now. When you start with was, this must be in the past tense. You cannot say he was doing something and then allow all the time. Cannot. So if this is the past tense, this must also use the past tense. I'm correcting you now. This sentence is wrong. Okay? Alright, that's it for today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.